Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power is off to avoid pops and damage. This protects gear and you. Once done, visually match the source output to an amplifier input, RCA to RCA 3, 5 mm to AUX, XLR to balanced input. Make sure grounding is considered. Lift or tie ground only if hum appears. Use an adapter if formats differ, and route cables away from power lines. You should now have the correct cable in hand and a clear path from source to amplifier. You connect the chosen cable, making sure it clicks or seats fully. Loose connections cause crackle and intermittent loss. Once connected, set the amplifier input selector to the correct channel and lower gain and volume to avoid sudden loud signals. Then, configure source output level to line where appropriate. If using phono, engage the phono preamp. Make sure impedance matches or is within acceptable range because mismatch affects tone and headroom. You now power on devices in order, source first, amplifier last, to reduce transients. Play a familiar track at low volume and slowly raise the amp gain while listening for distortion, hum, or dropouts. If sound is clear, adjust EQ and balance to taste. If you encounter hum or no sound, mute and power down before troubleshooting. Tip: swap cables and inputs to isolate the problem. Use headphones at the source or a multimeter to confirm signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.